Chapter 4 Summary. To study relationships between variables, we must measure the variables on the same group of individuals. If we think that a variable x may explain or even cause changes in another variable y, we call x an explanatory variable and y a response variable. A scatterplot displays the relationship between two quantitative variables measured on the same individuals. Mark values of one variable on the horizontal axis, x-axis, and values of the other variable on the vertical axis, y-axis. Plot each individual's data as a point on the graph. Always plot the explanatory variable, if there is one, on the x-axis of a scatterplot. Plot points with different colors or symbols to see the effect of a categorical variable in a scatterplot. In examining a scatterplot, look for an overall pattern showing the direction, form, and strength of the relationship, and then for outliers or other deviations from this pattern. Direction. If the relationship has a clear direction, we speak of either positive association, high values of the two variables tend to occur together, or negative association. High values of one variable tend to occur with low values of the other variable. Form. Linear relationships, where the points show a straight line pattern, are an important form of a relationship between two variables. Curved relationships and clusters are other forms to watch for. Strength. The strength of a relationship is determined by how close the points in the scatterplot lie to a simple form such as a line. The correlation R measures the direction and strength of the linear association between two quantitative variables, x and y. Although you can calculate a correlation for any scatterplot, R measures only straight line relationships. Correlation indicates the direction of a linear relationship by its sign. R is greater than 0 for a positive association, and R is less than 0 for a negative association. Correlation always satisfies. R is less than or equal to -1 to +1, and indicates the strength of a relationship by how close it is to -1 or 1. Perfect correlation, R equals plus or minus 1, occurs only when the points on a scatterplot lie exactly on a straight line. Correlation ignores the distinction between explanatory and response variables. The value of R is not affected by changes in the unit of measurement of either variable. Correlation is not resistant, so outliers can greatly change the value of R.